Yo, hello everyone. Are you looking to manage and update your website's content easily? In this video, I will show you how to create a CMS content management system in Webflow, from setting up your CMS collections and designing dynamic template to adding and editing the content. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. This is the website, as I said, and now we have successfully created it. The next step which to do is to add the CMS. So the CMS is actually a plugin in or an application on Webflow. So all you have to do is simply click here, as you may see. So click on this button and then click on dashboard. As simple as that. Here you will find Marketplace. On Marketplace, click on Apps, and here you will find bunch of options. So I'm going, of course, to choose the CMS synchronization, which is basically this one. Click on it, and then now all you have to do is add to site. Now just wait a little bit, give it the authorization, and choose the site that you want it to be added to. So let's add it to all the current websites, and then let's give the authorization to the app. As simple as that. Now we have logged in successfully to Power Importer, which is the CMS provider for Webflow. And here, take them for a test drive so you can run them in read-only mode to see how they work. So here we have all the CMS stuff that may help, and here we might find some features as well. So the features that you can get on this app, you can connect to your favorite apps in minutes. You can automatically detect changes and instantly update the CMS. You have a limited synchronization between apps, support all CMS field types, and free for Webflow.io hosted sites. So in case you had a hosted site, unlike me, I have a free version, you can actually get the application for free. Here are some kind of briefs about CMS, how it works. Simply, this is how it works. You can simply connect your favorite app. There is a bunch of apps, and then map the app fields to your CMS fields, and then launch the synchronization Power Importer, and it will monitor you connected apps data for changes and instantly update your CMS accordingly. So it is very easy to use. Now all you have to do is clone a workflow from either like Airtable, import CSV files, get like an access for WordPress, and then you can import stuff from WordPress. You can migrate your WordPress site to Webflow. You can even use Notion to Webflow synchronization, or you can even request a new workflow. So you can decide which application you are looking for just by clicking here, and you can look for like the application that you want it to be imported. So you just have to write here the name and the message that you are going to like encourage the support to help you bring the application to this app. So now, for example, let's clone workflow on Airtable. So we are going to add it to this website, save and continue. Here, give your Airtable personal access token. So you can go to here, and fortunately now I don't have an account on Airtable, but you can get the token through there. Once you get it, you will have everything ready to go. So we can click here to view demo and how it works. It is a video on YouTube, so you can check it out by your own self, and it will be very helpful for you guys. So yeah, guys, as I mentioned before, it is very good tool to have on your website. Let's try to connect another application, for example. Here we can go simply and click to go back, and we can import an SCV file or CSV file. Clone workflow, as I said. Let's choose this, then save and continue. And here we can just upload like the SCV file, which is simply, it can be a PDF file, it can be a Word file, or an Excel file. So let's try, for example, here any document that we have. Okay, Microsoft Excel. So I'm going to choose all files, and then let's choose this one, for example. Save and continue. Please fix all errors in the space. Upload file error, invalid byte sequence in UTF-8 in line 1. Anyway, so it has to be a corrected file. For me, I imported like my exams file, so it's not gonna work, of course. But anyway, in case you had the correct files and everything working good for you, you will have it working without any problems for you guys. And in case you were wondering, you can just go back over here and read literally everything about it, so it can help you more and more to know more about this application. It will easily synchronize your data with Webflow CMS without the zaps and the headaches. So yeah, it is basically like like a feature that Webflow has instead of using Zapier, which is automation application that will help you like merge two different applications with each other. You can just use this like this app on Webflow to help you do the same work for you without having to go and buy Zapier. So this is what actual CMS does for your website. And as I mentioned before, it will be only free for those who has the premium version. So how to know if you do have the premium version or not? You can just go to public profile, and here you can go to add site. Let me just go to dashboard through here. And if you created like two websites, try to create a new one. If you created a new one and they didn't allow you, that means that you are on the free version. As you may notice here, I am on the free version, so I have two unhosted sites on your my starter workspace plan. So in case I'd like to have upgrade my workspace and have it premium, I can just click here and then I will have these plans, buy whatever I'd like, and it will be ready to go for me. So it is as simple as that. You don't really have to bother yourself with anything else. So, guys, this is a side note. So, in case you're asking how is DCMS experience for other people, this is like a blog that I found on Reddit. So, a post, I mean, on Reddit. So, anyone with experience in Webflow CMS. So, this guy is asking, he's that new to blogging and he's recently started using WordPress, but he tried to use other product which is Webflow. So he's asking here if the CMS system is better than WordPress since he found that the work on WordPress is kind of horrible. He's a product designer with an engineer background and he's not too afraid of high customization or code. So here are some answers. For example, this guy says that as someone who has used Webflow extensively, they can say that their CMS system is very solid and highly customizable. It sounds like you are already familiar with coding, which will make it easier for you to dive in and start customizing your site. Webflow has a user-friendly interface that allows you to control all post layouts centrally. The CMS system also offers features such as dynamic content, collections, and conditional visibility, making it easy to manage and edit content. However, it's worth noting that Webflow may have a steeper learning curve compared to WordPress, and the pricing structure may be higher depending on your needs. This is now talking about the plans. So yeah, as I showed you guys before, the plans are really different and very kind of like expensive. If you are going for a very expensive one, it will like cost you a lot. So here are another answer about people like defending here WordPress. Here are another answer about overall people are actually with the Webflow CMS. So they are agreed that CMS and Webflow are actually very solid and highly recommended for people to start with, especially if you have a background as an engineer or something like that and you are familiar with coding. So yeah, guys, that was completely it. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.